What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willis Garage. Today we are spraying a little Tenacity. So there's the brand. I ripped the card up so you can't really read it. So what I've been doing is mixing. This little measuring tool actually shows you the gallon mark. So you see 3 tablespoons, and on the other side 3 tablespoons is for 6 gallons. So what I've been doing is mixing that in my 5-gallon rocket sprayer. I'll show you here shortly. And just for fun, I've been adding a little bit of surfactant just to make sure that the job gets done and it sticks. So let's take a little walk. This yard's previously been sprayed with Tryclopyr, 2,4-D. I had some quinclorac that went out, but it didn't really do the job. So I've been using my rocket sprayer. This is an electronic sprayer. You can probably hear the pump prime up. So it holds 5 gallons, and you can see that that first round of quinclorac really knocked out a lot of this crabgrass that was liking the heat that came off of the sidewalk. So let's take a quick little walk around and let me show you the current situation. This video may serve 2 purposes: one for my before after, and 2 as a results before and after result for a Tenacity video. So been playing with the dethatcher a little bit. Works really nice. And let me identify some of these for you. So here's crabgrass. Super easy to pull up. See how easy that is to pull? And the Tenacity should turn that white within a week. So we also have some wild violet. Here's actually, this is Dallas grass. So you see it's got a much larger thin, and look how impossible it just about is to pull up. It goes everywhere and crowns out, so that's a pain in the butt. Here's some wild violet, so we'll see what it does to that. We also have a little bit of clover left over, that 2,4-D and Tryclopyr. Here's a bunch of crabgrass. That 2,4-D and Tryclopyr really knocked out the clover, but there may be some laying around. I don't really see any right now. But anyway, this is the current state of the yard. I cut it down at 3¼ inches just to be able to really use that dethatcher well. And I haven't made my way everywhere, but just get a quick before after. And I can't wait to show you guys what we do at the end. So I'm really only focusing on this part of the yard to be super nice for this coming season, and I'm gonna let the crabgrass and wild violet have that side just because I don't know, I may end up doing it. But as you can see, this is roughly 80,000 square feet, so it's a lot for one person. I don't hire a company, or no one really helps me with this, so we'll see what it does. I also my phone stays alive. Oh my gosh, it's about to die. I want to show you guys the results for the Tenacity on nutsedge. This is all nutsedge right here. Doesn't look bad, but grows way too fast. So lots of nutsedge right here. We'll see if it turns it white. Again, Dallas grass here, crabgrass there. Dallas grass. Dallas grass grows a lot bigger than crabgrass. It seems like there's some more crab. All right, guys, be good, and this will roll right into the results. You're lucky. I've got to wait. See y'all soon. Welcome back, everyone. Man, that rocket sprayer made this job easy. So let's take a look at what the Tenacity did, as well as our other products. Don't mind my hose, just keeping that there to keep this thing watered. So look, we're down to the bare basics here of Fescue. There's a couple remaining pieces of Dallas grass, but all of those spots that you saw crab, I've actually aerated over once it died out. We might be able to find some still white, but this is just left for, let's take a look at this goodness. You can see the seed in there. You can see little pieces of fert, a little bit of milo. That's ready to come up, and we've got a good amount of rain coming, maybe too much on Thursday, to be honest. But let's just go around. I mean, it knocked out all of that, and it's got my yard looking like crap. But as any of you experienced guys know, you really gotta take it down, or I guess you can wait on the crabgrass to die, you know, after the first frost. But those seeds are still down in the ground. So let's go ahead and do this walk like we normally do. You can see on the bank, all that crabgrass died. All of that stuff that we were looking at before is gone. And I must say, if you can get a fan tip on whatever sprayer you have, and if you can afford a rocket sprayer, do it. Because they will really, really help you out with not having to pump this crap up every time. And I've got a little under 3 acres here, as you guys know, if you follow my channel, so having to pump that up would be a pain. There's some dying there. I think we looked at that last time. Right here, we had a ton of just wild violet. That's all dead now. I think there's some wild violet still dying over here that I'll let you see. Yeah, look at that. So that tenacity actually took the ability for the plant to get sunlight out, so it's not able to get chlorophyll. And I'm really impressed. I'm actually in talks with a couple companies to highlight some other product that I may or may not be able to afford on my own. So we'll see if that works out. Then you guys will have a nice treat, being able to view a whole array of products that may work in your fescue lawn. There's some more still dying. And then right here, it just did a great job of getting down to the bare basics for seed germination. And I went heavy. I mean, there's a bunch of seed in there, so we can actually see a little bit of germination here already, even though it's been a couple days. I was throwing out seed from time to time the past few weeks. So, all right, guys. Thanks to Rocket Sprayer for making this job actually easy on me. Talk to you soon.